Ay wah, panalo mga kamanoy, nagluto ako ng Filipino chicken adobo at ipapatikim natin sa mga taga-India. Mga cook din sila mga kamanoy. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging reaction nila for the first time matikman ang adobo. Aspak from Hyderabad. Kerala, Suber from Chennai from Asad from Calcutta. Calcutta. Khususang po.
कस्तो छ ठीक छ राम्रो छ
Apa kabar ma?
Hai, alhamdulillah baik.
Assalamualaikum abad.
Hey, Aspak,
Let's go.
this is one
Filipino adobo me.
chicken tampa. Chicken na ay kumulong ba?
So if we earn something in Facebook, we will eat more. Check first. Chicken. Focus. Not bad. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Only garlic, onion, pepper, bay leaves, potatoes, soy sauce, vinegar. That's it. That's the ingredient. What is with boost? So what's your feedback, Aspak?
I like it. I like it very much.
Yeah, really nice, very nice.
The famous I'm hungry also. That's why I want to eat.
Same
Even though I don't like it, because I'm the one who cook.
Same like.
Because I'm hungry.
Same like Indian spicy pepper chicken.
Next time, this is the original taste.
Okay.
But in my province, it's hot with spices, with chili.
Okay.
I will make the second version. My province version. This is Bicol. That's what you call Bicol. I will make more chili.
This is like our
Original.
this is like our recipe pepper chicken.
Pepper chicken. Yeah. Here sampler.
The pepper corn, the whole corn, the full corn.
Yeah.
I make it dry. It's supposed to be. It has It's supposed to be. It has sauce, but I make it dry.
You better try.
Because Asad requested for a dry, so I make it dry. Asad is lucky boy. Asad, let's go. Let's go. Special request by Asad. Asad is speak Tagalog. He's the one speaking Tagalog also. He requested for a dry adobo.
My special adobo. Oh, mashallah. Thank you so much, Paring.
That's why you support and share this video, because we want to earn
My
money.
best friend, Paring John.
If we earn money, we will make more Filipino food for them.
Thank you.
More.
Mikey.
Mike, Siram.
No, one side for the
Very nice.
Garam. Aspak from Hyderabad. Kerala, Suber from Chennai from Asad from
Calcutta.
all Filipino out there. The famous Filipino adobo now. This one eat by the Indians. So they like it. They like it. Yes. They like it. With the potato also.
Very nice. This one good. Try adobo. Too much like
I will make another my version. Spicy. Inshallah. With chilies. Because Bicol province known for the chili.
Okay.
Next month, may give chicken.
Okay.
Spicy. More chili. I like also with chicken. I don't like it because I like chili also. But it's the original taste. Kubus from Middle East.
यार कैमरा से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं Kabali warna ulla kana putar go.
ಅವನೇ ಒಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ನಂದ್ರು ಹೌದು
ನಾವು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೂರ
ಮಚ್ಚಿ ಹೌದಾ
Show the pala kan mic. Ini mic.
Mikey.
Half people din yung half people.
अरे ऐसा नहीं मिला माल
क्या नहीं नहीं टैक्सी पकड़ के मैं जाके 1 घंटा के ऊपर पे
हाँ
ब्रेक के टाइम में गया
Grab. Filipino adobo now. Check. Certified Indian. Really like it. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Share this video to the Indian community also.
yes
So they will be they will be curious. They want to eat also adobo.
I think how to cook then any ingredients station huh
No, the first step when you cut the chicken. Marinate.
marinate how to marinate anything
No,
how to
soy
cook
sauce.
process
Yeah,
that's
soy
all
sauce.
video huh?
Yeah. Soy sauce, marinate soy sauce,
yeah
and a little bit sugar,
yeah
then salt.
thank you very much sir thank you very much
We will make again
Yeah.
next day spicy, but we will make promise.
next month I give 2 chicken okay
We will make again Filipino food.
yeah come yeah take
Chicken
I will take drinks
from Indonesia also. Indonesia apa kabar?
apa kabar
Apa kabar?
this guy number 1 Indonesia special guys
Last day 28.
this month ba
28. Okay.
how to work lasar only one
Then after that, garlic, onion, saute. Then put the marinated chicken with the bay leaves.
believe
With the pepper for
pepper for
Then make it soft for 30 to 45 minutes.
wah
Yeah. When it's softer, vinegar. The vinegar.
sambal
Because as a requisition for this dry adobo. I make dry adobo. Okay. Ang ito, chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Julia, last day, May 28 from Indonesia. Goodbye, man.
my friend I miss you too much
That's my trip for you. Good luck in India. Kabus. Kabus.
yeah, I will take now I will eat later
Taste, huh? Just keep it on the side. Just keep it, save it for you. Okay. Chicken adobo, ha? Don't forget, ha? Chicken adobo. Filipino.
back and eat then go check feedback okay good or not good very nice
So now you taste the chicken adobo, original taste, ha? Asada. Ah, sarap.
Siram kita deh stop siram jauh terus what is it
No, kubos.
huh
Kubos.
kubus
Yeah, kubos. Siram from which place in India?
Maharashtra
Maharashtra. Siram.
Maharashtra guy number 1
This is the first time. He is the youngest here.
Yeah.
He will taste the
young guy
That's soy sauce.
soya sauce flavor also ingredients dry garam masala एक मिनट क्या बोलूं खपूस ये क्या खपूस है इसको बोलते हैं अरबिक में खपूस बोलते हैं हिंदी में चपाती बोलते हैं खपूस बोलते हैं मेथिन का चपाती कितने में आता है खपूस
50 pills. We will make chili next time. Next time. we will make chili
स्पाइसी
spicy.
कितना था
50 pills.
कितना आता है
एक पैकेट का दाम 50 फिल्स इसका दाम 50 फिल्स इसमें करीबन 10 पीस रहेगा
So that's why you should this one. You should support and share the video, no? Because if we earn money from YouTube, from Facebook, we will make more food in Filipino and then taste by India.
Sarap.
Nice.
Nice to. Soy sauce with garlic, onion, and then with the peppercorn, and then vinegar, and with a little bit sugar. Don't forget the name, Philippine adobo. Thank you guys. Mr. Siram ng Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Adobo, chicken adobo.
Adobo.
Down
Nice.
or up? Nice. Let's go.
Enjoy, man. I would be.
Si Mike na pala, ang pinaka-pogi from Nepal. Yes, yes.
Kasi
Try to eat this one. This one? He's Nepal, but he likes to eat this one, chili. He likes, he know how to cook also adobo. And his province also from Bicol region. Kunti na lang natin. Kumain ka na ba? Wala na sinday.
Sinday, wala na kayo.
Yan na lang natira. Wala na. Nasimot po mga kamatayan. Gagawa ako next time yung Bicol version. Maraming sili. At ipaglalaban ko yung sili dito sa mga taga-India. Titingnan natin. Unang feedback nila sa adobo na chili. Maraming chili. Wala na. Sili.